much would you like to have a drone? Maybe you already have one, but how about an entire fleet of drones? I know, complications, costs, licenses, risks, a lot of time required to prepare the flights, and let's not forget about training. Even for the most passionate explorers, filmmakers, or photographers, buying the right drone becomes a real pain. The first step, the choice. Flight tests will be handy, wouldn't they? We deliver a flight test environment, the construct, a specialized location and platform for remotely flying real drones. So again, it's not a simulator, it's a real-life drone. An impressive fleet of the most high-end drones on the market. Together with our online interface is everything required to make a remote drone flying an unforgettable experience. We run training classes, coaching, run by live pilots, offline classes, and contests with generous prizes. When required mastership is obtained, the system will allow you to exit control space and begin the real explorations. The construct is located in a fantastic environment. You can film, take incredible photos, or you could simply explore amazing, unique places in the whole world. We've been developing the entire software solution and hardware platform for the last 2.5 years. How does it work? All you have to do is go online, access our web platform, select a drone, set up your flight parameters, choose your desired on-drone equipment and accessories, schedule a convenient time, flight duration, and the drone will be ready for you. Multiple angle external and on-drone HD video streaming will be your eyes in the remote sky. Once your awesome experience is completed, a very high-resolution on-drone recording will be available to download. The construct has multiple flying spaces, a technical area, a service zone with on-site personnel, and a lot more. This is an unique opportunity. You have the chance to remotely fly a real drone directly from your desktop or your mobile device. It's all about blending real with virtual, spirit and matter. A perfect combination between hard and soft, a kind of modern Tai Chi. There is more. The drone industry will be a $2 billion business by 2020. No matter how automated the drones will become, pilots will still be a must. We are in the unique position to turn the entertainment into a new job for you by getting a drone pilot license from us. The entire solution requires a tremendous financial support. The software and hardware are developed, but the fleet and the rest are quite a significant investment.
Are you a hardcore gamer, a simulator fan, or a VR headset owner? Do you have a VR game or training center or corporate events organizer company? Then Your VR is for you. Your VR is the world's most compact and affordable virtual reality motion simulator. Easy to set up, it takes just a few seconds, and your 3D motion simulator is ready to go. Sit tight and enjoy the virtual world. It's perfect for VR games, for flight and car racing simulators, roller coasters, space and war games, and diverse training programs. Your VR has unique movement capability with unlimited 360 degrees of yaw, 25 degrees of roll, and also 25 degrees of pitch movement freedom. Many more expensive industrial simulators have much more limited movement range. In fact, Your VR is the best in the world in this category. Your VR is small and lightweight, perhaps a little heavy for two little girls like this, but no, turns out even they can hold it. Your is silent. It will not leak any noise into the next room while you play. You can pack it all up in a few seconds and store just about anywhere. Your Your VR is compatible with SimTools, which means it is compatible with more than 100 popular PC games. With our open source SDKs, anyone can develop Your VR compatible games on any platforms including Oculus, Oculus Go, HTC Vive, PlayStation VR, Samsung Gear, and Lenovo VR. Your VR is designed for gaming. We provide steering wheel, joystick, and pedal holder, and you can even fix your shifter on it too. Are you a professional? Do you have a game or training center? We have a special offer for you. Pre-order one or more Your VR Special Edition, and you will get Your VR Pro. Your VR Pro is especially designed for intensive use, so it is ideal for professional customers. Your VR Motion Simulator is the most affordable three-dimensional motion simulator on the market. It costs only $890, which means that it's less than half the price of any other simulator. This is the immersive game experience squared. Enjoy the motion in the virtual world with our brand new compact motion simulator. Never before seen freedom of movement, exceptional small size, and portability with a price tag that you just won't believe. Your VR Motion Simulator.
Train service operating on all other lines.